Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are a DIY person, then a glue gun is a must-have tool for you. After doing a lot of research and reading many reviews, I finally bought my first glue gun. I bought it on Amazon and I have mentioned the link in the description. I'm really excited for my new glue gun, so come let's check it out. As you can see, it is well packed, and at the back side you can see all the instructions and safety measures, so it's better to read it before starting how to use. It came with these 5 glue sticks which are of pretty good quality. Let me cut open this package now. The look and feel of this glue gun is pretty good. The build quality feels pretty sturdy. Let me open up this cord now. The length of this cord is almost around 1 meter. Now let me insert the glue stick into this gun hose from the rear. The glue stick is of a nice long length and seems to be of a pretty good quality. It has this stand which is quite useful when you're working with the glue gun. It's better to use a waste cardboard or a paper, anything that could protect your surface. Let me plug it in and let's get started. It has a power switch on the body which is quite useful when you're working. You can just turn it on and off from here and don't have to reach out to the main every time. Let me just wait for it to heat up. It's around 2 minutes and I think it's already hot. Oh yeah, the glue is melted and it's coming out. While working with the hot glue gun, it is better to keep it on the stand to avoid any kind of spillage on your surface. You need to work really quickly with the glue gun because the glue dries pretty fast. Here I am showing you a pista shell and I have stuck it on the glue. As you can see, I easily stuck the pista shell on this cardboard. You can use a glue gun on almost all the surfaces, and as you can see, it is a really fast way of sticking things. And please do not touch the front nozzle which is made of metal, and it is pretty hot when the glue gun is hot, so do not burn your hands. I can't wait to start using this glue gun on my craft projects. I give it a full 5 stars. Do let me know in the comment section if you found this video helpful. Bye.